still got the express tag on it.
Oh,
Like that.
Oh wow, it really fits Carlito really good.
Yeah.
Carlito. Carlito. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today is day 15 of Gazabellz and I just logged off of work and I had a really busy day today. It was a busy time crunched day and I'm just tired, which is why I am laying down, but I received a package today from my job. So everyone in my office got this. This is a cheese board and I was really happy. I was actually a part of the committee of picking out like gifts to send to everyone in the office, but they already had the options already. I just opted for this one, this cheese board, because at first we were going to send out wine to everyone and I was for that. But apparently you cannot send wine to New Jersey and Utah, and we have some employees out there too. And also we have someone in my office who went back to Canada because he's Canadian, and you can't ship alcohol to Canada, so that kind of ruined it for us. Second option was a cheese board, but then they were like, oh, we're sold out of these. So then we were going to get like a fruit basket, which I wasn't really thrilled about. But then they had this in stock, so yes, happy about this.
just go for this one. Okay, right. This one's white. Okay, right.
Yeah, you can go for that one.
Alright.
We've been having a lot of reds, but one rosé. That's what it looks like.
That's cool. It's not that bad. Not super sweet or anything, but
No, it's pretty dry.
yeah, that's cool. This is very chuggable.
You and all this chugging. Okay, you want to try the cheese board?
There it is.
But it came with a little spatula for you to scoop it in a lump. Like, how cool was that?
Spatula.
Now I have my own little cheese spatula.
Oh, stab me in the eye with that.
Oh, sorry.
It tastes like the pepper jack cheeses.
Mm-hmm. It tastes really good. And then it also came with some Belgian L mustard. Oh yeah, it's good. So this is a turkey summer sausage, which is nice and
Oh,
thin.
it's a turkey sauce with that.
So this is mini melt-away mint cookies. I think this has peppermint in
You
it.
should have saved this for Friday.
Well, I needed Vlogmas content, okay? I was really busy today, so... I mean, why don't you treat yourself on a Tuesday? Why not?
Oh, well.
Okay, so I am back at my little table today. I actually have been using this table a lot more this month than I ever have since I got it. So, putting some use to it today. But right now I am about to write some Christmas cards. So I got a new set of Christmas cards from Amazon. They're all like black like this. Very minimal, very cute. It does like, I think they all have the same. Oh no, they all have different messages. May the blessings of this Christmas bring you peace and joy throughout the new year. So that was the first one. This is the second one. Wishing you a happy holiday season and a wonderful new year. This is the third one. Wishing you all the best for this holiday season. This is the fourth one. Oh, wait. May the joys of the season be with you throughout the coming year. And this is the last one. May the happiness and good cheer of the season be yours throughout the new year. So that's the cards that I got off of Amazon. And these are some pretty cute cards. I think I'm going to do 4 today because I am pretty tired and I kind of want to go to sleep early, edit this video early and go to sleep early. Because I got a lot of meetings tomorrow. So much fun. I wanted to try out my little wax stamper that I got off of Amazon. I don't think I did an Amazon haul when I got this. Because I got this like a couple months ago, but I don't think I included it because it was pretty long. But basically, when I was back on TikTok, I seen this one person stamping a whole bunch of like envelopes, but it was like very aesthetically pleasing. So I found like a little stamp that has my initial on it, a G, which was cute. Then we got some wax right here. I think this is like 200 different color wax. So I'm excited to try that out. Get a little spoon to melt the wax with. It's a pretty small spoon, but you know what, it's all good. Then it came with like 4 tea light candles, which is fine, but these are like all busted up. So I most likely will not be using these. We'll have to use my Bath and Body Works candle, which I'm not really mad at because that candle smells good. And I still have a lot left and I burn it a lot. It's pretty worth the price, I will say. And then on that TikTok page, I can't remember what the page is, and I don't know if I am following that page or if I favorite that TikTok or if it's still up or whatever. But they use flowers when they stamp their thing. And so I ordered this a while ago too, which is some flowers, and I thought they were fake, but it turns out these are dry, like real dry flowers. So now I get to finally put this in use. And then I also thought that it would be like a cute little idea to include like some sample packets and some of the Christmas cards, because I'm going to be like doing mostly girls tonight. And so I can like send some of these samples that I got from Sephora, so that way they can treat themselves, you know, try it out, and if they like it, they can like purchase the actual product if they want to. Sometimes I like overthink whenever I do things for other people, because I'm like, I don't know how they would react to it, because I'm expecting how I would react to it, but everyone's not me. So yeah, I think with my Christmas cards this year, I want to write something a little bit positive, kind of a small, like itsy bit inspirational. You know, 2020 for everyone was very challenging, and we all went through our personal struggle this year, and so I want to write some encouraging words for everyone so they can be very hopeful for next year. You know, next year it's going to be better because we'll have less numbers and people will start feeling better, and we'll be able to go out and do things that we used to be able to do. You know, give more hope, give more positivity. So I just finished stamping all the letters with the little wax stamp thing. I don't know what it's called. I forgot what it's called. But all 3 of them came out pretty good. So for this was the first one I did. This was the first one I did, and I used 3 wax, and then for the last 2 I used 4, which is pretty good because you can see that it's more fuller than the first one. And I'm also happy that I was able to use these dry flowers, but they all came out very nice, and I hope that the people that I send these to will like them. And yeah, that is the end of this vlog. I hope you guys liked this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Paalam!